Hey guys, welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to fix open Chrome and searching anything Microsoft Bing open instead of Google search engine. How to fix the problem. So guys, this is a very easy fix. So to solve this issue, what you could try to do is open up your Chrome, of course, and now select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now over here, you could just simply go to the bottom and you should have an option over here, settings. So go ahead and click on that. Now here on the settings, as you can see on the left side of the screen, you will have an option search engine. Now here on the search engine, if you have a multiple search engine, you should be able to see it over here. And if you want to change it, you could just simply select change over here. And as of now, I don't have any search engine because I removed it earlier. And from here, of course, just simply select Google and set it as default. Now, if you want to manage the search engine over here, you could just simply click on this one. And now from here, you should be able to see the search engine category. And of course, when you have a multiple search engine, you could just simply go ahead and make sure the default one is right over to the Google. So pretty much these settings over here makes you change your search engine, and mostly changing your search engine as the Google fixes the issue. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And what you could try to do as well is you could just simply go to the three dots on the top right corner and then go ahead and go for the extensions and go for the manage extensions. And from here, just simply remove some of the extensions that you don't currently need, because sometimes these extensions carry some malware, and this malware can affect your browser. So sometimes a simple removal of the extensions can fix the issue.